I am from Gowgrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 30 that has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than equal to 2. F of x equal to ax plus b if 2 is less than x less than 10. F of x equal to 21 if x is greater than equal to 10 is a continuous function. So here I shall write solution. Solution implies that given that f of x is a continuous function at x equal to 2 implies that left hand limit equal to, here x equal to 2 is given. In this sense, left hand limit x tends to, since here left is written, I shall write negative. F of x equal to lim x tends to of negative. What should I write in place of f of x? Here it is written x tends to of negative. This means that the value of x must be less than 2. We have to find out the function in which the value of x is less than 2. So here you can see first function f of x equal to 5. The value of x is less than 2. Here the value of x is less than 2. So here in place of f of x I shall write here 5. Lim h tends 0 5 comes out to here 5. Now at x equal to 2 I shall get right hand limit equal to lim x tends to a positive f of x equal to lim x tends to a positive. Here the value of x must be greater than 2. So we have to choose the function in which the value of x is greater than 2. So here you can see the value of x is greater than 2. Greater than 2. So this function you can see, second function f of x equal to ax plus b. If 2 is less than x, less than 10, this means that the value of x is greater than 2. So I shall write the function f of x equal to ax plus b. So here in place of f of x I shall write ax plus b. So here write ax plus b equal to lim h tends 0. Open here curly bracket, write here a. In place of x, I shall write 2 plus h plus b equal to lim h tends 0. A will enter inside, bracket will be broken. You will get here 2a plus h plus b comes out to remove lim h tends 0 from here. Here put h is equal to 0. So here you will get 2a plus b plus a into 0 will get. So now at x equal to 2, right hand limit equal to 2a plus b. We have got 2a plus b. So at x equal to 2, right hand limit equal to 2a plus b, and x equal to 2, left hand limit equal to 5. And here I shall write now f of 2 equal to f of 2, x equal to 2. Find out the function where the function is x equal to 2. So here you can see f of x equal to 5. So here I shall write 5. Imply that since f of x is a continuous function, since f of x is a CTS function, hence f of 2 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to 5. Imply that f of 2 we have got here 5, and left hand limit you have got here 5, right hand limit you have got 2a plus b. So here I shall write 2a plus b equal to 5 will be written. 2a plus 5b, 2a plus b equal to 5 will be written. Since f of x is a CTS function, hence f of 2 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to 5, imply that 2a plus b equal to 5. Now left hand limit at here you can see f of x equal to 21 if x is greater than equal to 10. So here at x equal to 10. So here I shall write at x equal to 10, imply that left hand limit equal to lim x 10 of negative f of x equal to lim x tends 10 of negative x tends 10 of negative. This means that the value of x must be less than 10. We have to find out a function in which the value of x must be less than 10. So here you can see second function f of x equal to ax plus b. This is the function in which the value of x is less than 10. So here I shall write, in place of f of x, I shall write ax plus b. Equal to lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, write here a, in place of x I shall write 10 minus h plus b equal to lim h tends 0, 10 a minus h plus b. This is 10a. At x equal to 10 implies that left hand limit equal to, remove lim h tends 0 from here, to put the value here I shall write 10a minus a into 0 plus b. So you will get 10a plus b. So left hand limit at s equal to 10 you have got 10a plus b, and at s equal to 10 I shall get right hand limit. So here write at s equal to 10 implies that right hand limit equal to lim x tends 10 are positive f of x equal to lim x tends 10 are positive. Lim x tends 10 are positive. This means that the value of x must be greater than 10. We have to choose the function in which the value of x is greater than 10. So here you can see f of x equal to 21 is the function in which the value of x is greater than 10. So here in place of f of x I shall write 21 equal to lim h tends 0, 21 comes out to here 21. At x equal to 10, right hand limit you have got equal to 21. And also at s equal to 10 imply that f of 10 s equal to 10. So here you can see s equal to 10. So I have take function, this function f of x equal to 21. The f of 10 here in place of x I shall write 10. The f of 10 equal to 21 you will get 21. The f of 10 equal to 21. Right hand limit at s equal to 10 you have got 21, and left hand limit at s equal to 10 you have got 10a plus b. So same thing I shall write imply that since f of x is a CTS function, hence f of 10 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to 21. 21 imply that you have got left hand limit as 10a plus b. So here write 10a plus b comes out to 21. So this will be become here equation number 2. This will become equation number 1. So here I shall write by grouping equation number 1 and 2 together, we shall get by grouping equation number 1 and equation number 2 together, we shall get 2a plus b equal to 5. So here write 2a plus b equal to 5. And this is the equation number 1. And equation number 2, I shall write 10a plus b equal to 21. Equation number 2. Just process this both equation. Here plus sign is there, here plus sign is there. Subtract. So just subtract. So here minus 10a plus 2a. You will get here minus 8a. Minus 8a. This thing will be cancelled out. You will get here minus and 21 minus 5 comes out here minus 16. So here you have got implied that minus 8a equal to minus 16 comes out to here a equal to 2. The value of a you have got 2, and putting the value of a equal to 2 in equation number 1. So here I shall write on putting a equal to 2 in equation number 1. Equation number 1, we get 2a plus b plus 5. A equal to 2. So here write 2 into 2 plus b equal to 5. So you get here implied that 4 plus b equal to 5 equal to b equal to 5 minus 4 comes out to here 1. So here you have got a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. The answer will be here I shall write answer implied that a equal to 2, b equal to 1. Answer will be a equal to 2, a equal to 2, comma, and b equal to 1, b equal to 1. The correct answer will be the value of a equal to 2 and value of b equal to 1. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 13, question number 30. That has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. This is the question number 30, not 13, in which I have got the correct answer a equal to 2, b equal to 1. This thing has been asked here. Find the values of a and b. The a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. You have got the correct answer here. Okay guys, thanks.